everyone, it's Paula, your goddess of cheese for bushes, back again to give you the word on curd for our featured cheese for the month of December. For this holiday season, instead of serving a traditional baked brie and pastry, be the standout in your crowd by serving Petit Sapin, or Little Fir Tree. A little background on this cheese: it is a washed rind cheese from the Comté region in France, and it is a Mont d'Or style. The texture when this cheese is cold is smooth and creamy, but where it really shines is when it's warmed. See below for the baking instructions. When it's warm from the oven, surround it with fresh baguette slices and splash with a little Chardonnay, such as the Louis Jardot. Grab a spoon and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned next month for our featured cheese for the month of January. We'll see you at the case.